Hi guys, and welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to fry red snapper. Go ahead and subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Tell your friends, tell your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. So here I have my red snapper already cleaned and washed nicely. And guys, just a reminder, you always want to ensure that you wash and clean your red snapper nicely. Most of the times when you buy your red snapper at the fish market, they will tell you that it is already scaled, but the truth is there is still scale on it. And once you put it in the hot oil, then you will see the scale on it. All right, so make sure that you do all of that and just follow the steps and you should be good. Now, the key to get your snapper, you don't want it to break up. You always want to ensure that you pat dry. You want to ensure that you dry your fish nicely. And then you go ahead and apply your seasoning. Now, all I'm going to add to my fish is some salt and black pepper. If you want to go ahead and add fish seasoning, you can always go ahead and do so. But I just work with my salt and black pepper and it's perfectly fine. Now, you can always go ahead and check out the description box. I will leave the link down below for the escovitch sauce, and go ahead and make something good for your family. So I put on my pot on the stove, add some vegetable oil, allow it to hot, and then I'm gonna go in and add my garlic and also the Scotch bonnet pepper just to flavor up the oil. Once it's nicely hot, you want to turn your stove on low to medium heat as well. You don't want to turn it up high because you don't want your fish to burn up. All right, you don't want the outside to fry and then the inside is not fried properly. So you add your fish and then you just allow it to cook nicely for roughly about 5 minutes, and then you flip it over on the other side. All right, remember to take your time because you don't want that oil to pop up and burn you. So we're just going to allow the other side to cook nicely as well. And again, you don't want to turn your stove on high heat. Once it's nicely fried, we're going to go ahead and remove it and look at my fish. I like to fry my fish until it is dry, but you can always go ahead and let me know what you think. And you always want to ensure that you drain the excess oil. All right, so you can just line your plate with paper towel. Once you take up that fish, you just put it on the plate that is lined with the paper towel and just allow the excess oil to drain. And because we're frying a lot of fish, we're just gonna add the rest of the fish, and it's the same procedure. We're just gonna allow one side to fry nicely for about 5 minutes or until golden brown, not on high heat. And then we're going to flip it over on the other side and allow the other side to fry nicely as well. And then I'll show you the final product. And this is the final product of my amazing fried red snapper. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe to my channel.